Hi, many of you have expressed interest in a tutorial of my needlebook construction, so I plan on making a series of videos demonstrating this process. There'll be short video installments, about 10 minutes or so each, where I construct a second needlebook in this style, very similar but not completely identical. It'll demonstrate things like the sashiko stitching on the front and back covers, constructing their lined pockets, how to use your printer to print the names of your needles onto fabric for stitching, which allows you to choose your favorite font style, and then we'll attach each. The variety of blanket stitches used in constructing the book. I made a point of using many different styles as a way to learn something new in the process. A big thing that I learned, and that was very complex, is this binding stitch that allows the book to be this concertina type format. And that is a complex stitch, very involved, and takes some patience and dedication to learn. So we'll be going through that. We'll also be doing the fun process of dreaming up whimsical shapes to cut out of recycled wool fabric. That'll allow you to affix your needles to each page, and all the other little details that make up this particular little fun sewing notion. I look forward to sharing this with you, and I hope you'll join me. I learned a few things that will improve the needlebook now that I've had a chance to use this one for some months now, and I'll share those along the way. Follow the link to my channel, subscribe, and if you turn on notifications, you won't miss any of the installments. We'll construct this needlebook together in the coming weeks, or you can return to the playlist and watch whenever you have the time to follow along. I look forward to making this with you. Thank you.